Hello guys, Ivan here, and this is the all-new 2022 BMW 2 Series, and this is the top model at the moment. And here is the key fob to the vehicle with M colors. Very nice. So this is the top engine version of the new 2 Series. So this is two-door coupe from BMW, and this is the M240i xDrive Coupé. And if you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe and turn on all notifications so you are notified for all new videos. Thank you very much for your support, and now let's continue with the video. Alright, so let's talk about the dimensions of the new 2 Series. So 2 Series, being the smaller model by BMW, is not really small, because as we know, new cars, new versions of the vehicles are getting larger in every segment, and the 2 Series is not an exception. So therefore the 2 Series has grown much more with this generation. So if we compare the 2 Series with previous BMW models, we can say that it's very similar or the same size as previous 3 Series E92, which had the V8 in the M3 version. So that's the model which we can say that is very similar by the size. So very interesting indeed. So this car has really grown a lot. So here you can see BMW kidneys, and these slats are closing when they need to heat up the engine, and then they are opening when they need to cool down the engine, which is really smart and innovative technology. Also the cruise control radar here in the middle, very nicely integrated, and you can see a lot of high gloss black details. This car has also automatically M package in the design language, because this is the top version by the engine version. And also we have 4 cylinders, 220i, 230i and 220d, the diesel one. Alright, so here you can see the lights and the front bumper, how it's at the same shape as the light, very nicely integrated. These are BMW LED lights, and you can see also new daylight running stripes, new design. And remember this because we will see something similar in the back. So here is the light stripe, you can see design in the gold, and here is the power dome on the front hood, on the front bonnet. So the BMW M240i xDrive Coupé has all-wheel drive system, and which is called xDrive, and is powered by 6-cylinder BMW M twin power turbo with the output of 374 horsepower. We have M Sport suspension, adaptive dampers, M Sport differential and M Sport brakes, as well as very intelligent xDrive all-wheel drive system. And this car has also 500 Newton meters of torque, and that's 368 pound-feet of torque. So the M240i xDrive can sprint from 0 to 100 km per hour or 62 miles per hour in only 4.3 seconds, and the top speed is 250 km per hour or 155 miles per hour, electronically limited. So here we can check out the wheels and also the side profile and brakes, tires. So here we can see the side profile. Let me know what you think about this design in the comment section down below. It's much more angular, this new generation of the 2 Series. Personally, I like the front a lot. And here are the wheels. So these are double spoke 791 with mixed tires, 225, 40, 19-inch at the front, Pirelli P0 at this for this vehicle. And we have M Sport brakes with red brake calipers. The wheels are in high gloss black. You can get also other finishes as well. And here is M badge on the front fender and high gloss black on the mirrors. These are M mirrors. And also the whole car has shadow line package. And here you can see the cameras for the assistant systems, adaptive cruise control and other features. And here is the shadow line in high gloss black. So the window trim and other bits and pieces are in high gloss black. It goes really well with sporty vehicles, the high gloss black details. As you can see here, also very nice coupe design. And this coupe is based on a rear-wheel drive platform, but with the xDrive intelligent all-wheel drive system. So here we can check out the rear design and overall vibe of this vehicle. So let me know how you like this. So you can see a big change with tail lamps, and to me personally the rear tail lamp design looks similar as the front, but it's like turned around. So the paint for this vehicle, this one is called the M Brooklyn Gray. It's a metallic paint, and you have several paints to choose from. Also you can see here the spoiler on the fifth door. So yeah, as I said, the rear tail lamps are like turning around. We will see here soon the close-up. So let me know how you like design from the rear. So here it is illuminated in red. They are like in 3D shape, so you can get to see it here. It's really like a curved, so it sticks out more. And here is the xDrive badge on the left side of the boot, and M240i. Also the badges here, they are like in this gold tint, matte gold. And you can see here the exhaust tips. We have two wide exhaust tips at both sides and diffuser with 3 fins. Everything in high gloss black as a part of the shadow line package. So the rear tire size is 255/35 19-inch, so wider at the rear 3 centimeters or a little bit more than 1 inch. So the fuel cap recommends the petrol. You should use the best octane petrol which you can find on the gas station. So let me know how you like the rear design. I really like the sleek design of the coupe personally. And here you can see the shoulder line of the 2 Series. It's really quite wide and has really nice stance. Alright, so talking about the price, this vehicle is priced at 65,000 euros. It starts at 55, and in the UK it's 45,000 pounds. Alright, so now let's take a look at the interior. Alright, so now let's open the door and check out the interior here and features. So here is the first look at the interior. You can see the familiar BMW M interior with sport seats. They are from various materials. And here are the floor mats with BMW M colors. So let me know how you like this little detail. Blue stitching on the doors and also illuminated blue dots. Also these triangles, 3D shape, very interesting design. So lots of materials, curves, and also you can put here your water bottle. Speakers for the hi-fi audio system Harman Kardon. And you can tilt the seats, they will go to the front, they are electric. And in the rear you can hop and have two another passengers. Also ISOFIX for child seats. And the roof is curved in a way so that you can have more headroom in the rear. So really great even for adults. And here is the detail of the seats. You can see the Alcantara and very nice combination of shades and materials and details. So digital cockpit for the instrument panel, and you have here on the left side the controls for the lights. This model has Steptronic Sport M transmission, which is 8-speed, pedal shifters and cruise control settings on the left side, which is really good to operate on the steering wheel. And also we can find here that the airbag is wrapped in leather and stitched. Also we have heating of the steering wheel and M logo on the bottom of the steering wheel. So here you can see in the middle various buttons and vents. You can adjust them, and here are some buttons for the seats and AC. And also you have a button for the assistance systems with the green circle. Also you can configure the driving modes and other bits and pieces. Also this circle to operate within the infotainment system. So here you can see very large display in the middle as a central screen. So let me know how you like this design. So in some models the BMW already has the 2 screens together, but here they are separated as a more of a traditional layout. So here in the middle you can select the radio, assistant systems, contacts, telephone, all kinds of stuff which we are used to. Everything is quickly responding on the display and the commands. But yeah, this vehicle is not yet fully started, so some of the systems the engine needs to be running in order for the infotainment system to be super quick. That's what I noticed in many models, not only BMW. Also you have communications with the app on your phone. M Sport display, so you have performance-based information on display, vehicle status, driving information, energy flow, and lots of driving-based informations. Tire pressure sensor, engine oil level, you can see the error messages, and yeah, engine oil when it's next service. So this is very neat. You can see here the interval 30,000 kilometers for the engine oil, engine check in 60,000 kilometers, brake fluid. Yeah, so we have everything very nicely laid out when should be next service, next checkup. Here we can also change the driving mode from sport to comfort, also the damping, sport, comfort, steering, sport and comfort, and also the engine and the transmission, everything can be changed to your liking. The engine sport plus sport, comfort, and transmission sport plus sport and comfort. We have also Eco Pro, so the best efficiency and the lowest consumption with this mode. And we have also Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so you can have information from a phone on the screen. And here is the M lap timer, which is like information when you are driving on the racetrack. You can record and see the information. So next we can check out here the decor. So this one is M interior aluminum tetragon. Very nice and interesting metal design. The alternative is of course the high gloss black, like a piano black, and yeah, this one is more matte of a finish. 2 cup holders, USB-C cable, USB-C-A, and also the 12-volt socket. Here is the transmission lever. You can select the reverse neutral drive and also the sport version of the transmission. We have also parking sensors for the automatic parking, auto start stop. Then we have engine start stop button, and here are the driving modes: sport, comfort, Eco Pro, and adaptive, which is like individual mode where you can set it up. Here is the scroll wheel for the infotainment system, and here are some shortcuts: media, home, navigation. So here is the glove compartment, pretty neat. You can store some stuff there, as well as under the armrest, which has USB-C port in this case. In the front we had USB-A port. So very nice seats in terms of the materials. Let me know how you like the design, and here are the lights on the top. So the sun visor here has the built-in mirror with light, cosmetic mirror, and above it you can find the microphones, so when you are calling with someone it's very useful. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. Let me know how you like this M240i xDrive Coupé in the comment section down below. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you soon in the next video. Have a wonderful day.